If you've ever tried making real Neapolitan-style pizza at home and ended up with something closer to oven bread with toppings, you already know the frustration. The problem usually isn't your ingredients, it's heat. Most home ovens just can't reach the kind of temperature you need for that blistered crust and soft, airy center. That's exactly what the Ooni Karu 2 Pro is trying to solve, especially for backyard cooks, pizza enthusiasts, and anyone serious about outdoor cooking. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the Ooni Karu 2 Pro feels like a step above the typical portable pizza oven. It has that rugged stainless steel build that immediately gives off a serious tool vibe rather than a casual backyard gadget. Everything about it feels intentional, from the thick insulation to the sturdy door and compact but stable structure. Even though it's portable, it doesn't feel fragile or temporary. The 16-inch cooking surface is noticeably spacious compared to smaller pizza ovens, which means you're not constantly worried about cramming dough into a tight space. The build quality gives you confidence that this is something designed for repeated high-heat cooking, not just occasional use on weekends. What really sets the Ooni Karu 2 Pro apart is how quickly it gets the temperature. In real use, the difference is immediately noticeable. It climbs to extremely high heat in about 15 minutes, and once it's there, you're working in a cooking environment that feels closer to a professional pizza kitchen than a backyard setup. That heat is what gives you those signature leopard-spotted crusts and that soft, airy interior in under a minute of cooking time. The multi-fuel design also adds a layer of flexibility that matters more the longer you use it. You can go traditional with wood or charcoal for that smoky, slightly unpredictable flavor, or switch to gas with a separate burner attachment if you want more control and consistency. That choice changes the entire experience, depending on whether you're cooking casually or trying to fine-tune results. In day-to-day use, the Karu 2 Pro feels surprisingly manageable once you get past the initial learning curve. Lighting it and maintaining heat become second nature after a few uses, but it does require attention. This is not a set-it-and-forget-it appliance. You're actively involved in managing flame intensity, timing your pizzas, and learning how the oven responds to fuel changes. The integrated temperature hub helps a lot here because instead of guessing internal heat, you get real-time readings either on the front display or through the connected app. That makes it easier to repeat good results instead of relying on trial and error every time. Cooking itself is incredibly fast. Once the oven is fully heated, pizzas cook in about a minute, which means you need to stay focused, but that's part of the experience rather than a drawback. Cleanup is fairly straightforward, especially if you use gas mode, while wood and charcoal require a bit more post-cooking maintenance. Now, being honest about the trade-offs, this oven does ask more from you than simpler alternatives. It's not the most beginner-friendly option right out of the box, and there's definitely a learning curve if you've never cooked at these temperatures before. Fuel management, timing, and dough handling all matter more here than in lower-temperature ovens. Also, the gas burner is sold separately, which adds to the overall cost if you want full flexibility. But in return, you get one of the closest experiences to traditional Neapolitan pizza outside of a professional setup. Compared to other outdoor pizza ovens in the same category, the Ooni Karu 2 Pro sits closer to the premium end of the spectrum. Cheaper portable ovens might get hot, but they often lack consistency, space, or build quality. Some gas-only models are easier to use, but they don't deliver the same depth of flavor you get from wood or charcoal. What makes this one stand out is the balance between performance and versatility. You're not locked into a single fuel type, and you're not sacrificing cooking space or heat performance to get that flexibility. It's clearly positioned for users who want more control over their pizza making rather than just quick results. So who is this really for? It makes the most sense for people who are serious about outdoor cooking and want to replicate authentic pizzeria results at home. If you enjoy the process as much as the final result, this oven is going to feel rewarding. But if you're looking for something ultra simple or completely hands-off, there are easier options out there that won't demand as much attention or practice. If this helped you decide whether it fits your setup, consider liking the video, subscribing for more honest outdoor cooking reviews, and checking the link in the description when you're ready.